have the bird bath up with the ladder. And look at Popcorn and Angel just sitting there watching me, begging them to get in the water. But I know it has to take them to do it. So patience is a virtue, right? Patience, patience, patience. I don't have any, but for Popcorn and Angel, anything for Popcorns and Angel, right? With that fresh water, they'll do it. So when I post a video, you're gonna be like, wow, they did it. So the ladder's ready. They're ready. Nah, not so much. Oh wow, what are you gonna do? We'll just be patient. Bye.